can you suggest plants I can grow in my small, shady, squirrel-infested backyard? This is Susie Q from Oregon, Ohio. She says she would enjoy something with flowers that the very hungry squirrels would not eat.
Oh, okay.
So the squirrels are eating up stuff, right?
Yeah.
Right, so yeah, can we help Miss Susie Q out? So
I hope
first and foremost, Oregon, Ohio. You know the plant heart in the zone?
Probably
6B.
5 or 6.
Yeah, 6B.
Okay.
Right, so your plant should be able to withstand temperatures between -5 and 0. Yeah, for 6B. So can we help her out?
Yeah.
All right.
She could do some spirea, some barberry.
Okay.
First, if you want shrubs. There's a lot of perennials and annuals she can plant.
Okay.
Squirrels do not like things that are fragrant. So you think of alliums and hyacinths and daffodils, lily of the valley,
That's a good one. Yeah.
coral bells, Lenten roses.
Yeah, I like Lenten roses.
A stilby, mugworts, anything that has a very strong fragrance, spearmint, the mint family, anything from the mint family.
Right.
They will not like all of that.
Okay. All right. And most of those will have flowers. You know, the plant
Most of
material
them
you're talking about, and grows well in shady conditions. Of course, we don't know how shady.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah,
she's
there's
just
different
shady.
degrees of shade,
Right.
but those can withstand shady conditions. Yeah.
Right. How about hydrangeas?
Yeah, you could
think?
do some hydrangeas.
Okay. They have flowers.
They have flowers. I mean, I've never had. We have lots of squirrels. I've never had them eat hydrangeas before, but I do know that I used to grow pansies and. They would eat all the plugs. They'd come through and eat all the plugs out of the pansies, and I'm like going, okay. Yeah, squirrels. They like plants.
They like plants.
They like a lot of tender plants and flowers. They sure do.
So we gave them some good options.
I hope those are some good options for her.
Check with your local extension office as well. They may have some other.
They may have some other
choices, for you as well.
But
I
fragrant.
think those work.
Fragrant.
Yeah, fragrance. Okay.
Think of things that are fragrant because they don't like things that are fragrant.